One day in the jungle, a monkey was sitting on a tree taking selfies. Just then, a sparrow came and sat on a nearby branch and asked, "Why are you taking so many selfies?" The monkey laughed and said, "I want to become a jungle star. I'll show everyone that I'm the most handsome." The sparrow shook her head and said, "You are handsome, but don't use your phone so much. You might fall off the tree." The monkey replied, "Me? Fall?" And just then, thud, he lost his balance and fell down. The sparrow laughed and said, "See? Learn to balance first, then become a star."